So today we're going to be talking about a menstrual heating pad. So we have it in the color white. It comes in two other different colors. It comes with green and pink, but today we've got the white. It is heating at 3 seconds, fast heating and large area heating. So let's go ahead and open this up. When we open this up, we have the instructions for it. It tells you all the stuff, all the cool features that it has in this little heating pad. So that's that here. So when we open it, this comes straight out of the box. Just like that, it has these little straps on it. This is where it is super soft and it's kind of like a felt feeling, and this is where it heats up really quickly. But at the bottom of the box, it does come with a rechargeable charger, so then you can go ahead and connect it to at the bottom here, as you can see. So let's go ahead and turn this on. You can go ahead and take this off, take the plastic on, whatever you like. So the way how we turn this on is hold the button down for at least 3 seconds. Should pop up. You should see the 40. So this comes in 40 degrees Celsius. Honestly, this gets hot in 3 seconds, like it says on the front of the box. So then if you want to increase it, there's a plus and minus sign. So you can go all the way to 60, which is equivalent to 140 degrees in Fahrenheit. So you just see that here, the battery charge life is at the bottom. It literally gets super hot, super fast. And another cool feature too, this is cool for all those ladies who have cramps and just need that little more for their ease in their cramps. It comes with the vibration as well, so it can help appease the cramps. You can hear it. And it still has the heat. If you want to turn that off, you can just hold that little wavy button on the side and it turns off. Super cool, great gadget.